Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to share a folder or file on a Windows 11 computer. Whether you want to access files from another PC on the same network or share documents with other users, Windows makes the process quick and easy. Make sure to watch the video until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Windows tutorials. Step 1. Select the folder you want to share. First, locate the folder you want to share. In this example, I have a folder on my desktop. Right-click the folder, select Properties. This will open the Folder's Properties window. Step 2. Open the Sharing settings. At the top of the Properties window, click the Sharing tab. Select Advanced Sharing. A new window will appear. Now, check the box next to share this folder. Click Permissions. Step 3. Configure folder permissions. Inside the Permissions window, you can decide what other users are allowed to do with the shared folder. Available permissions include: read users can view and open files, change users can edit, create, and delete files, full control users have complete access to the folder. Choose the permissions that best fit your needs. Once finished, click Apply. Click OK. Click Apply again. Click OK. Your folder is now shared on the network. Step 4. Access the shared folder from another computer. Now open File Explorer. On the left side, click Network. Windows will display computers and devices connected to the same local network. To access the shared folder, open the computer that contains the shared folder. Double-click the shared folder name. You should now be able to view or access the shared files based on the permissions you selected. Step 5. If the shared folder does not appear, if you don't see the shared folder immediately, try the following. Make sure both computers are connected to the same network. Ensure network discovery is enabled on both devices. Verify that file and printer sharing is turned on. Restart both computers and check again. In many cases, a simple restart helps Windows refresh network sharing information. Final step. Test the connection. Before finishing, open the shared folder from the second computer and make sure you can access the files successfully. If you can open the folder and view its contents, the sharing setup has been completed correctly. And that's it. That's how you can easily share a folder or file on Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a